Adoption in India is a legal process that allows individuals or couples to bring a child into their family, giving the child the same rights as a biological child. The process is governed by specific laws, mainly the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 and the Juvenile Justice Act 2015. For Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, and Buddhists, formal adoption is recognized, while for other communities like Muslims, Christians, Parsis, and Jews, guardianship is the available route. The adoption process is designed to ensure the welfare of the child and the suitability of the adoptive parents. In this video, we'll break down the requirements, procedures, and rights involved in adoption under Indian law, helping you understand each step clearly. Adopt a child in India, certain conditions must be met. For Hindus, any adult of sound mind can adopt, but married men need their wife's consent, and married women must meet specific criteria if their marriage has ended or their husband is unfit. Only the biological parents or a legal guardian can give a child an adoption, and the child must be Hindu, unmarried, under 15 years old, and not already adopted. Additional rules ensure that the adoptive parent does not already have a child of the same gender, and there must be a minimum age gap of 21 years if adopting a child of the opposite gender. These rules are in place to protect the child's welfare and ensure a stable family environment. Adoption process in India starts with registration at a licensed adoption agency. Prospective parents undergo a home study, and once a suitable child is found, they meet the child and sign a foster care agreement. The agency then files a petition in court, and after legal approval, the adoption is finalized. For non-Hindus, guardianship is granted under the Guardianship and Wards Act, but this does not give the child full inheritance rights. Under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, an adopted child is treated as a biological child, with all legal rights and responsibilities. The process is closely monitored to ensure the child's best interests, and strict guidelines are followed for eligibility, matching, and legal documentation. Recent years have seen the introduction of the Child Adoption Resource Information and Guidance System, CARINGS, an online platform managed by the Central Adoption Resource Authority. Prospective parents must register online, submit documents, and undergo a home study. If eligible, they are placed on a waiting list and matched with children through a transparent process. System ensures that only children legally free for adoption are matched, and all legal steps are followed, including court orders and updated birth certificates. These modern guidelines aim to make adoption more accessible, transparent, and child-centric, ensuring every adopted child finds a loving and secure home.